Hey everyone, most recently I went on a trip to the coastal range with my girlfriend. So we went to a campsite in Tillamook, Oregon, which was absolutely gorgeous. I would again recommend anyone to visit Tillamook as just everything is beautiful. There's not much to do in the town, but wildlife is really what I came out here for, so I have nothing to complain about. In this video, I'm just going to be herping, going around. I actually have some clips with my girlfriend, so I really hope you guys enjoy. Here was just one of the waterfalls we actually hiked up to. We didn't even mean to find it. It was gorgeous.
This is a rock?
Yeah, that's a rock, baby.
It's not gonna fucking move. What do
My
you
girlfriend's
mean?
first herp.
You're actually setting me up for failure. You lift it. This is not a rock, baby.
It's a rock. Here.
Oh my gosh.
You want to make sure not to harm any of the plants. Salamander! Oh! Come here, bring the camera, gimme. So, okay, we have an encentina, and I actually don't know what that is. That's a new species. I will get these guys close up and we'll show some shots. Oh my gosh! Oh, are you helping? Thank you. It's all black. It's a... It's a... I don't know. This could be a Klamath black salamander. I'm not sure. It has a regrowth on its tail, but that's absolutely gorgeous. All right, and then let's look at this encentina here. Encentina under the same log. That's awesome. That's so cool. I've never seen a salamander like this. I wonder, that's a really pretty encentina. All right. Well, that's awesome, right, Milana?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's put these guys back.
Very cool, very cool.
Very cool. This thing is crazy. I've never caught a salamander like this. Unless it could technically be a redback, but I know here in Oregon there's the Klamath black salamander, I believe. And it could be that. So let's put these guys back and keep looking. Oh my God. All right, I found this log. I'm gonna see if there's anything under it. We're looking for the California giant. All right. Cut the film, that log sucks. Here I have a little dun salamander. These guys are really cool. I think it's really interesting to see all the microhabitats and what kind of amphibians and salamanders live there. Like for these guys in particular, I only ever find them next to water. So just now I flipped two little dun salamanders. There's one here and one up there. I think that's awesome. There's also another cyanide creating millipede. Two of them. I've never actually seen these guys before. That's really cool. There they go.
This man is sending me on a crazy mission right now. He's all the way over there. He already abandoned me. I'm gonna die. Huh? No, I'm gonna slip.
Do you not want to come down?
I'm already down here. There's a lot of pokey plants. Don't laugh. Oh, but this is... Oh.
Excuse me.
Let me put this camera off. Look how beautiful. Gorgeous. Let me get down here. I don't want to go down there.
This guy was awesome to see. This was really far up into the trail, and this is a redback salamander. It actually has the most vibrant orange back that I've ever seen, and I catch these guys all the time, so that's really cool to see. Ready?
I'm scared.
You're on.
I'm scared.
You got this.
Is it
Alana
gonna
just
bite
found
me?
an essentina. No.
Is it alive?
Yeah.
Why is it not moving?
It's just probably timid. Show it to the camera. That is... It's okay.
So sorry.
Well, that's a male essentina salamander. The other one we caught earlier today was a female. He's actually pretty skinny. Still really cool to see, though.
He's so cute. It's kind of scary.
Yeah.
Get off of me.
Your first salamander, baby.
You can go now.
Hey everyone, I'm actually out at night right now, and I'm in this little puddle here, and I found, I believe, what to be a newt. Yeah. It's gorgeous. Awesome. I'm actually out here looking for frogs right now, as I've been hearing a lot of them chirp, but I was just checking along this bank and found this newt. Really pretty. Put him back. See if we can find anything else. A pregnant guy. Awesome.